going to do something a little different here today. It has just been raining and raining and raining. And she wants some sawdust to make some fire starters. And so we're going to do a little different here. I'm going to cut inside of the building. This is a good one here. It's the right length. I don't have to cut him in half. I can carry him right in. Pull him out here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good log there. I moved a bunch of logs and freed up an area. You never know when Mark's going to have another load, and I keep him here and on. Easy for him. Easy for him makes a reliable log deliverer. You make it hard for him, I don't care how good relationship you have, he's not going to get a more straighter bite on him. Hit him about middle here. What we're going to do is take this inside the building, and I'm going to saw him. That way she can capture the dust, or the sawdust. So got a regular jungle here. This is why I cleared all that cattle handling facility and everything, fence, so I had access through here. That's a video way back, video barter, way back. Anybody wants to see that? Real nice friends of Mark, my log distributor. Let's make sure this thing does fit in this building. Yep. We're gonna make some sawdust with a 500i. I'm gonna mark him with the perfect stick here, so I'm gonna let go of him. Get my saws. Right there. Let me get my saw and my perfect stick behind me. Mark his rascal. This should make her a real good log. Made perfect for the building.
Yeah, you said you were going to cut it right there.
Didn't have to cut it in half. Didn't have to cut it in half. So it is a muggy day here. Let's pick him up, Make him easy on my back. Looks like we're just a little bit off here, so just a little bit. This thing is actually 15 inches. That's close. Let me try it that way. Let's make her some sawdust. She wants some sawdust. Let's give it to her. That saw is unbelievable. That thing's power to weight ratio, and it is getting stronger all the time. This way I can keep it at 16 inches. But that's all. I mean, it just grabs and goes. Can't see how fast it is.
I started this before we had COVID and never got it done. My mother had given me a number of dozens of candles. Way too muddy for us to be able to work outside. It rained for, seemed like a week, but it was probably 5 days. This is where we are on the building. Our other one was 15 or so years old. It finally, even after all the welding and fixing he did on it, we just wore it out. Most of these logs, he's trying to at least do 12 ways to reduce the size. it was extremely dry here. It's just amazing how you get it all at one time. I'll shovel the mud out and blow this building out a little later. It's been too wet for us to do the challenge where I challenged him to sharpen my 180 and let me have another go at it. I think I can beat him.
Amazing how dry this log looked out there on the, and how wet it actually is. That's oak for you. Six-way really makes a difference. Being able to chop these things up. A day like this, it's just too muddy in the wood yard. Another advantage to having a building. She's going to make some fire starters, so it's got some old wax and this one's got a knot. Make us a little room here for this one.
Fact from YouTube, you get these factoids from YouTube occasionally, and we got one the other day that said that if everyone who viewed our channel would subscribe, we'd have 6,000 subscribers. Now we have about, I don't know, close to 22 maybe. I don't keep up with that. Larry does. He just reads me the factoids. So if you haven't subscribed, would you please subscribe? We really would like to hit that mark, but if you watch our content, please subscribe. Use that thumbs up button. Hit that bell so that we know that you'll get a notification when our next video drops. We drop 2 or 3 a week. We really do try to provide plenty of content. This is what we do on a daily basis, and we share it. show in July, and then I don't think we have anything planned for August. September, we're going to take a week and go to Rudd's Creek camping. Sorry guys, there'll be a few more fishing and boating videos. And then in October, we'll be going back to Paul Bunyan. We've been going to Paul Bunyan so many years that I can't remember how many years. Of course, everybody missed 2020, and then we missed 2021 because we were in the hospital with COVID. We were there last year, and we'll be there again this year if both our moms are okay. My mom's 87, his mom's 94, and both of them have issues. At that age, I guess everybody would have some issues, except maybe Melissa's dad, who now has issues because of that piece of wood. Melissa, I sure hope your dad's okay. That's a heck of a thing to happen at that age. Tough recovery no matter what age you are, but at that age it's really tough. I hope you, maybe you've given an update and I just missed it, but I hope everything's okay.
One more. Hello everyone, that's got that log worked up and it's in here so we're not in the mud like out in the wood yard. Nice dry area. Somebody's hounding me on my phone. And nice piece of wood. Nice splitting. 6-way did a good job. 500i raw balance power and horsepower. That's all I can say. That thing is just rank. You want to hang on to it. That concludes this one. Appreciate everybody. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Thank you for that. Anything else you can think of?
No, I told them and I asked them to please subscribe and hit the bell and all that fun stuff.
Yeah, hit the bell if you would so you get notified.
Because we don't have a set day that we drop like a lot of other people do. We drop after we finish doing something.
Well, we feel like doing it.
Yeah.
It's like I told Josh, Adventure Roads, he goes, you all outwork people half your age. I said, whoa, we work 4 hours and take a nap. But anyway, everything come together still. Ram splitter, Bobcat T650, sitting in here listening to James Taylor. So, toodles everybody, till next time. God bless.